हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ABCD। दिस इज रेड कलर, पिंक कलर, ब्लू कलर, पर्पल कलर एंड ग्रीन कलर। ग्रीन कलर, A for apple, A for apple, A for apple. Red color, B for ball, B for ball, B for ball. Blue color, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Pink color, D for dog, D for dog, D for dog. Purple color, E for elephant, E for elephant, E for elephant. Green color, F for fish, F for fish, F for fish. Red color, G for girl, G for girl, G for girl. Blue color, H for hen, H for hen, H for hen. Pink color, I for ice cream, I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Purple color, J for jug, J for jug, J for jug. Green color, K for kite, K for kite, K for kite. Red color, L for lemon, L for lemon, L for lemon. Blue color, M for mango, M for mango, M for mango. Pink color, N for nest, N for nest, N for nest. Purple color, O for owl, O for owl, O for owl. Green color, P for parrot, P for parrot, P for parrot. Thank you.